Okay, Anna, today is the big day. The food critic might come, the new coffee blend is ready, and the honey cake is. The honey cake is perfect. Golden, light, and smelling like a summer morning.
The bank server went down at 4 a.m., Anna. I think I'm seeing code in my sleep.
Why are we here so early? Because the world needs sugar, Alex. And Lily's kindergarten starts late today because of the teachers' meeting.
Remember? Right. My brain is basically 404 not found right now. I'll just sit in the corner, fix the bank's security firewalks, and drink a gallon of your strongest espresso.
I want to help. I want to make a cake that looks like a dinosaur.
Huh?
Good morning, my little chef. You can help, but remember the rules. Stay behind the golden line. When the oven is open, and no eating the chocolate chips until after breakfast.
I promise. Can I wear my big hat?
Good morning, Mr. Brownlow. The usual?
You're 30 seconds late with the door, Anna. Precision is the soul of business. 1 black coffee. No sugar, no milk, no joy.
Mr. Brownlow, look! I made you a napkin origami, but it's a dog.
It looks like a crushed cabbage, child.
Hey, Mr. B, don't be hard on the junior staff. That cabbage took her 10 minutes of intense engineering.
Here you go. And a complimentary mini biscuit. On the house? For the precision.
Fine. But don't let the dog cabbage touch my coffee.
Lily, honey, could you please take these sugar bowls to the tables?
Just be very careful. I'm a professional, Mom. Wait, it's not ready. It needs sparkles.
Oh my God, my iPhone is
Shimmering. Oh, I am so sorry. Lily, she looked sad.
Sparkles make people happy.
Technically, Lily, you just performed a hardware upgrade. It's now a limited edition Sparkle phone.
Wait, actually, this looks amazing. The light hitting the glitter is iconic. In that case, Mowounds, the Sparkle Cupcake is a new menu item, the Lily Special.
We need 6 slices of your famous honey cake. We have a deal to celebrate.
No. Alex, did you move the honey cake?
I didn't touch it. I'm busy preventing a cyber heist in Zurich, Anna.
Lily, where is the cake?
It was getting too hot, so I put it in the secret cold room.
What secret cold room? The big silver box.
It's frozen. I can't serve this. It'll break their teeth. The businessmen are waiting. I'm ruined. My reputation is gone. I have no more honey, and the oven takes 40 minutes to preheat.
Anna, think like a programmer. We don't have time to rewrite the code. We need a workaround.
A workaround? It's a rock, Alex.
No, it's not a cake anymore. It's an artisanal honey ice cake parfait.
Lily, get me the heavy kitchen mallet.
We are going to crush the frozen cake into honey snow, layer it with warm cream and hot sauce. The contrast of temperatures is a feature, not a bug.
Anna, that was incredible. I've never had a dessert like that. The way the frozen honey melts into the hot chocolate, revolutionary.
It's a very technical recipe.
Bank is safe. Cake is served. I think I deserve a medal. Or a sandwich.
How about both?
You were a hero today, Alex.
And Lily.
You were a very creative cold room manager.
Does that mean I don't have to go to kindergarten tomorrow? I have a business to run.
Nice try, little boss. But even CEOs have to learn their ABCs.
You know, for a bank programmer, I'm surprisingly good at deconstructed desserts. Maybe we should start a tech cafe.
Let's just stick to one cafe for now. I don't think my heart can take any more workarounds.
Tomorrow, I'm bringing my glitter to kindergarten. The teacher looks like she needs some limited edition sparkles.
Oh, no.
Oh no.